Welcome to the Englishstorywell channel, your ultimate destination for captivating stories that enhance your English learning journey. Here, we believe that stories are not just a form of entertainment, but a powerful tool to improve your language skills. Let's go to started.
Anna was a young woman who wanted to improve her English speaking skills. She knew that speaking English well would help her get a better job and travel to other countries. Every morning, she made it a habit to practice speaking English. One morning, she stood in front of her mirror and said, "Good morning, Anna. How are you today?" She paused, then answered herself, "I'm fine, thank you. How are you?" This was how Anna practiced. She knew that by speaking to herself, she could improve her pronunciation and confidence. After breakfast, Anna checked her phone. Her friend Lisa had sent her a message. "Hey Anna, do you want to practice speaking English today?" The message read. Anna smiled and quickly replied, "Yes, let's meet at the cafe this afternoon." Meeting for English practice. Later that day, Anna met Lisa at the local cafe. It was a small, cozy place where they often came to practice speaking English together. "Hi Anna." Lisa greeted her with a smile. "Are you ready to practice?" "Of course," Anna replied. "Let's order some coffee first." After ordering, they sat down at a table. They always started their practice by talking about their day. "So, how was your morning?" Anna asked. "It was good," Lisa replied. "I went for a walk in the park and listened to some English podcasts. What about you?" "I practice speaking English in front of the mirror," Anna said. "It's a little strange, but it helps me improve my speaking." "That's a great idea," Lisa said. "I should try that too." Practicing with everyday conversations. Anna and Lisa decided to practice simple conversations that they might use in everyday life. They started with greetings. Lisa said, "Let's pretend we're meeting someone new. I'll start. Hello, my name is Lisa. What's your name?" Anna smiled and replied, "Hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you." "Nice to meet you too," Lisa continued. "Where are you from?" "I'm from a small town, but I live in the city now," Anna answered. "That's interesting. What do you do for work?" Lisa asked. "I'm a student, but I also work part-time at a bookstore," Anna said. Lisa nodded and then asked, "What do you like to do in your free time?" "In my free time, I like to read books and practice English," Anna replied. Lisa laughed. "Me too. We have a lot in common." Ordering food in English. Next, Anna and Lisa decided to practice ordering food in English. They took turns pretending to be the customer and the waiter. "Good afternoon. What would you like to order?" Lisa asked, pretending to be the waiter. "I'd like a sandwich and a cup of coffee, please," Anna said, smiling. "Would you like anything else?" Lisa continued. "No, that's all for now, thank you," Anna replied. Lisa then switched roles with Anna. "Now, it's your turn to be the waiter," Lisa said. "Good afternoon. What would you like to order?" Anna asked. "I'd like a salad and some water, please," Lisa said. "Would you like dessert?" Anna asked. "Yes, I'll have a piece of chocolate cake," Lisa said with a laugh. "Great choice," Anna said, and they both laughed. Talking about travel plans. After practicing ordering food, Anna and Lisa started a new conversation about travel. They both dreamed of visiting English-speaking countries. "Where would you like to travel in the future?" Anna asked. "I really want to visit London," Lisa said. "I've always wanted to see Big Ben and the Tower of London." "That sounds amazing," Anna said. "I'd love to visit New York City one day." "Why New York?" Lisa asked. "I think it's a city full of energy and opportunity. Plus, I want to practice my English there," Anna explained. "That's a good reason," Lisa said. "Maybe one day we can travel together." Anna smiled. "I'd love that." Role-playing job interviews. Next, Anna and Lisa decided to practice job interviews. This was important for both of them because they knew that speaking English confidently in an interview would help them get better jobs. "I'll be the interviewer and you'll be the person applying for the job," Anna said. "Let's start. Hello, Anna. Thank you for coming today. Can you tell me a little about yourself?" Lisa asked. "Of course," Anna said, taking a deep breath. "My name is Anna, and I'm currently a student. I study business, and I also work part-time at a bookstore. I enjoy working with people and learning new skills." "That's great," Lisa said. "Why do you want to work for a company?" I want to work for your company because I'm very interested in your products and services. I believe my skills and experience can help your team grow, Anna said confidently. Excellent answer, Lisa said. Now let's switch. You be the interviewer. Anna asked the same questions, and Lisa gave her answers. They practiced until they both felt more confident about their answers. Discussing hobbies and interests. After practicing job interviews, Anna and Lisa decided to relax and talk about their hobbies in English. So, what's your favorite hobby? Lisa asked. I love reading books, Anna said. I usually read English books because it helps me improve my vocabulary. What about you? I enjoy watching movies, especially English ones, Lisa said. It helps me with listening skills and understanding different accents. Do you have a favorite movie? Anna asked. I love the Harry Potter movies, Lisa said with excitement. The story is great, and the characters are amazing. I've seen those movies too. They're so fun to watch, Anna said. Maybe we can watch one together sometime. That sounds like a great idea, Lisa agreed. Anna and Lisa knew that giving directions in English was an important skill, so they practiced this as well. Lisa pretended to be a tourist asking for directions, and Anna gave her the directions. Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the train station? Lisa asked. Sure, Anna replied. Go straight down this street for 2 blocks. Then turn left at the traffic light. The train station will be on your right. Thank you, Lisa said. Now let's switch. Anna asked, Can you tell me where the nearest coffee shop is? Of course, Lisa said. Walk straight for 1 block, and you'll see the coffee shop on the corner of the next street. Thanks, Anna replied. They practiced giving directions a few more times until they felt comfortable with the phrases. Expressing opinions in English. Next, Anna and Lisa practiced expressing their opinions in English. They took turns sharing their thoughts on different topics. What do you think about learning English? Anna asked. I think it's very important, Lisa said. English is spoken all over the world, and it opens up many opportunities. What about you? I agree, Anna said. I believe learning English helps you connect with people from different cultures. It also helps you in your career. They continued to share their opinions on various topics, like the environment, technology, and education. This practice helped them learn how to express their thoughts clearly in English. Ending the practice. After practicing for a few hours, Anna and Lisa decided to end their session. That was a great practice, Anna said. I feel like I'm improving a lot. Me too, Lisa agreed. Practicing with a friend makes it so much easier. Anna smiled. Let's do this again next week. Definitely, Lisa said. I'll think of more topics for us to practice. They both left the cafe, feeling more confident in their English speaking skills. Anna knew that with regular practice, she would become fluent in no time. The power of practice. Anna and Lisa's story shows how regular practice can help you improve your English speaking skills. Whether it's through everyday conversations, role-playing, or discussing different topics, practicing with a friend can make learning fun and effective. If you want to improve your English, try practicing with someone you know. Use simple conversations like greetings, ordering food, or asking for directions. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in speaking English. Remember, learning a language takes time, but with consistent practice, you'll see great progress. Just like Anna and Lisa, you can achieve your goal of speaking English fluently. Want to improve your English speaking skills quickly and easily? In this short video, we guide you through simple conversations that you can use in daily life. From greetings to ordering food and giving directions, this video is perfect for beginners or anyone looking to boost their confidence in English speaking. Practice along with real-life examples and start speaking English naturally today. White heavy check mark what you'll learn. Common English phrases for everyday use. How to speak confidently in different situations. Simple tips to improve your fluency. Start practicing now and become more confident in your English.
Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, Our carefully curated stories cater to all levels, making learning English enjoyable and effective. Join our community of language enthusiasts and let the magic of storytelling transform your learning experience. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Dive into English Story Well, where every story is a step towards mastering English.